Hey, what's going on, guys? Back out on the water, and today I'm on a new kayak trying out this small little lake here, and we'll see what happens. But it's a beautiful morning, calm waters, cloudy skies. Hopefully the fish will bite. Alright, this morning I'm going to start off with this creature jig, and this is what I had on the other day, so I'm just going to continue fishing with it and see what happens. Got my telescopic pole here, and we're going to give it a shot. Just going to let the bait hit the bottom, and I'm just going to slowly work it. Then I'm just going to watch my line, see if I can feel a hit. Got 3 poles with me today. I'm trying to, got some braided on this one here for bigger bass, and then I've got a couple poles with some lighter mono 6-pound line, trying to catch some crappies. Over here. There's a good fish. On the telescopic pole and the creature. There's a nice largemouth, about a pounder. Got some action going on here. Nice largemouth. There's a log right there. There. There's a little guy. Little guy. Right there's gonna be where Big Mama's gonna be at. There's another fish. There's a little guy. All these little dinks. See if I can get that punch. Get the fish to punch my line. Throw it right by the stump there. Line's going. Got a big mama. Big mama. Give me mama. Oh, jeez. Look at this, man. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of this fish. This guy is huge. This has got to be a 5-pounder for me. Bigger than the one last time I caught. Look at the size of this thing. This guy is huge. I mean, I just can't believe it. That creature jig did it. And my action camera died on me, so I didn't get it on video. But, wow. Look at this baby. Look at this beautiful bass that I just caught. She's about 19 inches. Look at this mouth. What a beauty. Wow. Beautiful fish. It's got to be 4.5 pounds. Let her go. Look at this monster fish. Beautiful, beautiful fish. See ya. That was a giant fish that I just caught, and my battery died. I was so angry. Oh man. But that was a giant fish. I mean, absolute giant. Oh, a pike. A big northern. Northern just came up. I don't want him though, he's gonna cut my line. Or do I want him so I can get some northern fish nuggets? He's still gonna be around this area. Watch him come up and get it. There he is again. Alright, let me catch this northern. He's right under the boat. He's got him. Got him. He's got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. He wanted it, so he was gonna get it. Oh yeah, look at this northern. Off the creature bait. This creature bait is catching everything, including this good eater northern. Alright. Got a northern. I'm gonna keep this guy to eat him. Kept hanging out by the kayak here and didn't want to leave me alone, so I knew I was gonna get him. I knew he was gonna get my lure. And there's one. There's a bass. Oh yeah. Little pounder. He was hiding in the weeds. I saw him come out. Get it. Oh, there's a fish. There's a nice fish. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Big mama. It's not that big, but still a nice bass. Whoa. Look at this guy. Oh, look at her. This one's gotta be a 3-pounder. Gotta be a 3-pounder. Off that creature again. Off of the creature and the telescopic pole. Hopefully I got that one on video. Here you go, another nice bass. Another beautiful bass. There you go. Swim for another day.